Now a look at Dallas's starting lineup. The star backcourt of Doncic and Irving are out there. They're with Washington, and it's Thompson in at the 3 spot. And for the Lakers, at the guard positions, Russell and Reeves. Down in the block, it's LeBron and Davis. And it's Hachimura in at the small forward position. Outside Irving. Pass to Thompson. Launches a 3. Yes, and it's Irving picking up the assist.
The ball in rhythm.
Here's Russell. And he makes the bucket, gets the whistle, and now a 3-point play chance here for him.
Defensive foul, P.J. Washington.
And we're about a minute and a half into the first quarter. Thompson against Hachimura. 5 on the clock. Hachimura, no good.
Nice contest, a high level of energy. That's how you play defense.
Now Davis. Here in the first quarter with about 2 minutes gone by, and he gets the bucket. Back to Davis. Good, and it's Russell picking up the assist. Davis has got his second bucket tonight. And here in the first quarter with a little over 3.5 minutes played. And here's Reddish. To the paint. The shot's good from Hayes. Back to Dinwiddie. No good from outside.
You know what, though? Sometimes you can be too open. I think it may have surprised him, and that's why he missed.
Yes, that goes in. To the inside.
And the one-hand slam just looks so pretty when it's in his hand, and he's the one doing the slam.
Agreed. He is smooth as silk, even on a power finish. Pass to Grimes. Now Marshall. Inside, here's Dinwiddie. The shot's good. Marshall making the play. Down low, Vanderbilt.
Well, if you don't take care of the ball.
To the inside, James. It's good, and he makes his first shot of the game. 2 minutes now played in the second quarter. Russell looking it over. A stupendous finish in traffic. Russell's got 5 points so far. The Mavericks have gone 3 of 4 from the floor here in the second quarter. Here's Irving. It's good.
And those are the kind of nice inside looks they've gotten here in the first half.
Lakers shoot. Doncic against Russell. And it's Hachimura in the corner. Good, and it's Russell picking up the assist. Russell's got 3 assists tonight.
And we know Hachimura has a confident personality. You see it there with the rise and fire approach. Nice.
Now, here's Thompson. 8 points for him. Here's Gafford. Again, the Mavericks score.
You don't.
There's the pass to Doncic. Just 5 to shoot. And no good. Had a chance to take the lead there. The Lakers in the lead. Closing in on 4 minutes played here in the second quarter.
And that's impressive mobility there. Hachimura is tough to stay with given how quick he rolls in these sets. Hit off.
Out to the wing. Thompson from long range. Buries the long-range jumper. Thompson's got 11.
Everything falls into place for a team.
Here's what the Lakers are going with right now. Reddish comes in by 5. 3 on 3. Basket good. He's got 6. Now here's James. To the middle. Here's Davis. Davis is for Los Angeles.
His accuracy from the mid-range is a reliable option, to say the least.
The 15-footer, and it's Dallas with another. Irving passes to Thompson, and Thompson throws it down. They lead by 1. Russell against Doncic. A great 1-2 punch. Beautiful pass and nasty jam.
Gonna miss that.
For the lead. Lakers have gone 2 of 5 shooting here in the third quarter. Russell against Doncic. And Russell gets it to go. His strength can get one team rolling. Inside, Wood. And there's a nice one-handed slam at bench.
And you can feel the jolt of energy that he sent through his team. That is a huge boost in a tight game like this. You like the pick to set up the open shot, but when it leads to a dunk, okay.
Here's Reeves. He dishes it to James. Shoots over Washington. And that one off the back of the rim and in. Washington. Shoots over Washington for Los Angeles.
Bron dunked that like he was angry. Is he okay? Man, he got the table shaking over here.
We've got 1:28 left in the fourth quarter. Outside, Russell. And so the Lakers take the win. It was a fantastic ball game, and they did a great job making sure it didn't get away from them late.
Yeah, I mean, they faced some challenges, but really held firm when they needed to. On both ends, just effective in terms of coming away with this win. Yeah, and his percentage from the field tonight, just amazing. He hadn't just been gunning. He's been picking his spots, and you need that kind of patience and discipline to shoot as well as he has.